Hey guys, so just do a little bit of a product review, I guess. We used this last night. So for you guys that have never seen one of those, I wanted to have a little air compressor or tire inflator, they call it, a tire inflator, they call it. I wanted to have something like this so when we're at the track, which we went to the track last night, you guys can't see anything, which will be probably, I don't know if you'll have seen the video or will see the videos. There's be a custom in the next couple of weeks. And we're actually going back again next week to a different track. But anyways, I just wanted to mention this. If you guys are doing this type of stuff, or if you're just doing a lot of traveling, this little inflator is actually pretty neat for what it is. They're $250 Canadian, so whatever that works into US dollars. But it comes, the one that I bought, you can buy tool only, but I bought the one that came with the charger and a battery. It come with a 4 amp battery. 4 amp hour battery, and it's a nice little unit for what it is. For the price, I thought it was pretty decent, but just thought I would talk to you guys quick about it. It seems to work. We used it for filling up the slicks on the truck because we aired them down a little bit too much, and it actually didn't take that long to do. So super easy to use. You just turn her on, it comes on there. Obviously there's no pressure in there. And then you just turn it up to wherever, and it's supposed to do, you just turn it up to wherever you want. It's supposed to do up to 120 PSI according to this thing. I think that's what it said. We were looking at it yesterday. Is that what it said on here? Oh yeah, max 120 PSI. It says it right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to read it, but it's actually super easy to use. So I'll just do a quick little, I'll show you quick here. I got the shorty on the hoist, so it's just easy to, I don't even have to bend over. And let's say you want to keep the tire at, it's at 33.5 right now. So let's say you want to go 35. All you got to do is bring the pressure where you want it, which is that set pressure right there. That's what you're at. And then that's all it takes. Now these are really small tires, so it doesn't take very long. It actually works really good for what it is. Man, I can't complain, especially if you guys don't have an air compressor at all, or like I said, if you're doing a lot of driving around or something, especially if you got a bunch of Milwaukee tools that take that 12 M12 battery. And I don't know, this thing for the price on the side of the road, worth every cent, I think. So I'm going to keep this in the truck all the time, I think, probably with a battery charger. And I think I'm going to rig up a little power inverter so I can charge these batteries in the truck. I don't think it'll need that big of a power inverter. I'll have to figure it out, but I can't imagine that it would take that much. Yeah, it uses 750 milliamps, so less than an amp to charge. So really not a very big draw to be able to put a little one in there. But anyways, like I said, I just thought I'd do a little product review on it. You guys said that you like when I do this stuff, so that's the product review on that. I will put a link down below, providing I can find it. And if you guys are interested in buying, helps the channel out a little bit. Don't forget the website is live now, so if you want to go check that out, it is also in the description. And we'll catch you on the next one. And remember, it's not rocket science.